So in terms of taxability, taxes, that the society members do, the society members have to make payment for taxes in case where, like for example, the cost of stamp duty registration, in case where it's a developer model, who bears? And if we are talking of this hybrid model where development management, who will bear? And in case of self-redevelopment, who will bear? If you can give light on it.
Yeah. So for as far as the developer's model is concerned, all costs are taken up by the developer. So whether it can be a stamp duty, it can be a GST, whatever the taxes are there, they are to be borne by the developer. If you are doing a self-redevelopment, obviously these costs are not there because there will be no stamp duty, there will be no GST also.
Right.
But whether all societies are in a position for going into self-redevelopment, that is a question mark. I am also doing a lot of redevelopment, but I have only up to last 10 years, we have developed only 2 to 3, the third one is under construction, 2 we have completed, but these were small buildings, only 12 members society.
Okay.
But so, if you are a larger society, I think DM model works better.
Okay.
And there it is like a self-redevelopment model only, but there is a technical advisor available with you. And all the taxation also in a DM model, stamp duty and the GST both will not be applicable as such. So thereby society will save a lot of money. Ultimately that profit will go back to the society only. As I gave you example of 35% developers profit,
right,
and 13% say DM model charges. So there is a difference of at least 22%. And this also stamp duty and GST will cost at least 5%. So if developer is going to incur, obviously he is going to give reduced profits to the society.
Right.
So if all these things are added, maybe 20-25% additional profit can come back to the society in a case of DM model.
So the same developer will be able to guide them and the society will benefit. Tax so is actually not benefiting either one of them.
Either one.
So it's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. And in case of corpus, what happens in case of self-redevelopment or development management? Will the concept of corpus remain thereafter?
Self-redevelopment, obviously there is no corpus because you are yourself a developer.
Absolutely.
So that whatever profit is balanced, that will be taxable. The income tax will be attracted.
Okay.
So if you don't want to get the income tax attracted, you will need to absorb whatever the areas are there within the society. But if you are selling it, yes, taxable tax will be there.
And can you shed any light on GST aspect?
GST aspect, there are confusing, notifications. So for redevelopment, now one of the case tribunal has given decision stating that construction cost of the existing member which is being rehabilitated, 18% because you are giving service,
okay,
18% will be charged.
Okay.
Or first sale, whatever is happening on that, you will be paying 5% of the GST amount. Okay. But this will be diluted in near future, I think.
Okay.
And government will come forward with clear-cut guidelines.
Let us hope. Yeah.